Meet me halfway across the sky, beginning of another life. Telling you to be there, because in the end.
Oh no!
Guys, I want to show you mine.
Wow.
Yes. And guys, the color.
Wow!
I really love it. And guys, pag napakyan siya guys. Three pieces to siya guys. Ang ganda. Ayan. Ang next natin is color.
Wow!
Black siya guys. Ayan o. I really love it. Pag napakyan. I love it. The black one guys. Look. So very nice.
Wow!
I love it. Ayun yung ating likod. So guys, medyo nag-shake na yung ating likod guys. Ayan, konting exercise na lang. Ayan po, I really love it. Ayan.
Wow!
Napak yan.
Oh no!
The next guys is color blue. Look guys, the
Wow!
I really love it. Yes. Guys, ayan. Pack na pa. Guys, for only 240 pesos. Ayan, I really love it. This is my bikinis, guys. I really love it. This, ayan. The violet color. Let's go. So this is it guys. Ayan, the violet color. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack siya guys yung kanyang likuran. I really love it. Ayan, pack na pack. Ayan po. I love it. So this is it guys, the violet color. And guys, I really love it. Pack na pack yan siya guys. Ayan yung ating violet color. Ayan. Guys, ayan na. Ayan yung ating violet color. I really love it. Pack na pack siya guys. Love it. I really love it.